Hey everyone, this is Don Cottom with 323 Lincoln Cloud Room AV. We want to let you know that we're going to be at the conference, the Clerks Conference in Tennessee, and we've been working for the last almost 8 years on our platform. One Touch was a software company in Tennessee that develops audio-visual rooms for the court and for city council chambers. We also do a lot of work with schools, but at the end of the day, we have the most reliable platform. We run our AV systems on simple Windows computers to reduce your cost by 30 to 40%, reduce your annual cost by as much as 50% on the support of the equipment in the rooms. We give you full concierge type service where you can use our guys for help at any court session. We're also, as you can see here, we do all of our rooms in turnkey bundles. If you look to my immediate right, we have total turnkey rooms, set prices for our rooms, so it's not just a guess what happens in that room. And the other thing is, it makes this completely scalable. So again, if you're looking for a great level of service, lower cost, lower annual cost, more functionality, and what I'm showing you below here, this is actually a virtual courtroom, but not only does it have a virtual capacity and maybe some signature capabilities, but also it does traditional for the arraignment and video calls, just regular conferencing. We also have Panopto, which is our recording. It gives you full transcriptions, full translations, and this can assist your court reporters. They'll have to audit this material, but it assists your court reporters, and you can collect way more cases. But look for us if you're looking for any conference rooms, training areas, city council chambers, or the courtrooms. We're the guys for you, and we've been working on this. We're a Tennessee-based company. Please try out our One Touch software and help us kind of grow this. And we're trying to develop this with needs of the court in mind. And please let us know if you have any ideas. But we look forward to seeing you at the show. Please come by our booth. And thanks again. Go to 323link.com. You can also reach me at doncottom at 323link.com. Thanks again.